Today, let's look at the role of various elements in plant care. When growing flowers at home, just remember this method. No matter what type of plant you grow, its leaves will be lush green, and its flowers will bloom abundantly and beautifully. Have you ever noticed that? The flowers you bring home are always full of lush leaves and vibrant blossoms. But after a short time, they start showing signs of poor growth, yellowing leaves, leaf drop, stunted growth, and failure to bloom. These issues are actually caused by improper care, but they are not difficult to fix. First, remember this key rule. If you only water your plants with tap water, they will wither in less than 6 months. Supplement nitrogen for more new shoots. Nitrogen is the most essential element for leaf and branch growth. Supplement phosphorus for more blooms. Phosphorus promotes flower bud formation. Supplement potassium for a stronger plant. Potassium acts as an enzyme activator and enhances disease resistance. Supplement calcium for vigorous growth. Calcium strengthens the cell walls, making the plant sturdier and more upright. It also gives the leaves a glossy, deep green appearance. If your orchid isn't sprouting new shoots, water it with nitrogen. Soon, new buds will start growing rapidly. If your bougainvillea has small flowers, water it with phosphorus. You'll see an explosion of blooms with fewer leaves. If your money tree looks weak, water it with potassium. The stems will grow thick and strong. If your plant isn't growing, water it with calcium. It will develop lush, vigorous foliage. If your gardenia's leaves are turning yellow, water it with magnesium. Its leaves will become a deep, waxy green.